Welcome to English Learn with Zohan. Total question 15. Time 5 seconds each questions. Good luck. Subscribe now and never stop learning. Learn smart. Are you ready? Let's begin.
Question 1. I can take a bus or train. Option A is the correct answer. Question 2. He will succeed, he works hard. Option A is the correct answer. Question 3. I did not go out, I was tired. Option A is the correct answer. Question 4. She failed the test, she tried her best. Option B is the correct answer. Question 5. We will leave you already. Option A is the correct answer. Question 6. I will go out. It stops raining. Option A is the correct answer. Question 7. She sings, she plays the guitar. Option C is the correct answer. Question 8. He must be tired, he has been working all day. Option B is the correct answer. Question 9. You can stay here you want. Option C is the correct answer. Question 10. We will wait, you are ready. Option C is the correct answer. Question 11. She was angry, she did not say anything. Option B is the correct answer. Question 12. They left early, they could catch the train. Option A is the correct answer. Question 13. We can have pizza burgers. Option C is the correct answer. Question 14. He studied hard, he failed the exam. Option B is the correct answer. Question 15. She looked, she had seen a ghost. Option B is the correct answer.